Okay, this is going to be how to replace your Kichler uh, ceiling fan light bulb. So this is Kichler salt like that. So that you just twist it counterclockwise, I believe it was, and that came down. It was a little hard. Then the actual light assembly, whoa, it was up like this, and there's 3 screws, which I had to take all 3 of them out because it was stuck to the seal, being it's indoor outdoor waterproof one. But this is your basically the light. Now I couldn't find one, so I picked this one on Amazon, which I'm going to put the link below, and it was 2 of them for $20 some. The original one, this is not the original one. This plate here is non-magnetic, okay? Which the replacement is such and such, and it has these magnets on the back. So it was non-magnetic. It's not going to stick. Well, I looked at it for a while. This is the original one right here. And here's the clear cover. You see, it's not the same size exactly. So what I did was I took the light off of the plate, and it had 3 little plastic screws like this. I took those out and I got the board off. The replacement one, these are the magnets. So I took those screws out. And then, so what I ended up with, I mean, this is the old one, the original one. And this is the new one, the replacement. So it turned out that these screw holes fit right at that size, which is actually for the plastic cover. And they ended up lining up perfectly. So that's how I'm going to finish the installation.